Hello everybody, Ms. Brooks is here, and I am about to show you two online platforms that I feel you should incorporate inside of your classroom. Both of these are two different types of platforms, but they can both be used together. One of them is called Formatives, and it's like an online quiz formative assessment type of platform, and the other one is Edpuzzle, which is more of an interactive video platform. But they can work hand in hand because you can give to do the flip classroom, you can give the students the Edpuzzle video to watch at home, which requires them to interact with different types of questioning based on the video. And then when they get in the classroom, they can do a formative assignment to see how well they paid attention to the video that they were supposed to watch at homework. So these two assessment pieces are wonderful for a flip classroom format. So we're going to first look at formatives, and then we're going to look at Edpuzzles. So here's formatives. So all you have to do when you go to formatives is just do a new formative. And one thing that I really like about formatives is that you don't have to create your own questions. They have a question bank, so you can go in there to look for it. So I'm going to title this Congruent Triangle. So you just give it a title. And then I'm going to make an assignment type. So you can do an assignment, benchmark, classwork, warm up, exit, slip, homework. All of this is performance tasks. So there's a lot of different ways that you can actually use this platform, which I really love because it's not just one type. So let's first create an assignment, and all you have to do is click add. And the good thing about this is that they have different types of questioning, not just multiple choice questions like your other platforms, Kahoot and Quizzes, but they have true, false, short answer, actually get the kids thinking. So I already did a search for geometry proofs. So we're just going to look at what type of questions. They actually have a complete a proof problem, and they already give points value for these questions. Have them a reasoning question. They have to explain their work, which is wonderful, so we can get the students really thinking about what they're doing and not just really basing it on the answer. They separate it in how do you know, and this is a multiple choice type question, so they still have those type of questions, but they're also different forms. Once you add the type of questioning that you want, you can add how many questions. 1, just to check for their understanding. 5, quick check, a quiz, anything of that nature. Then you're going to click up here to assign, and I want to assign it to my A1 class. And the good thing about this is they give you a link, or you can snapshot this or embed it within your learning management system for the students just to click on. They don't have to have an account, which is wonderful because we know how they do with passwords. So once you set this up, you're ready to go. You can look at your students' responses. Once they begin answering questions, you can export it. You can hide names if you want to show the whole class. The second one I wanted to look at is Edpuzzle. And like I said before, this is an interactive video type. So all you do is just search the content, and they have different content set up, elementary, middle, and high. So I like that it has different levels. And you just search your type of class, which they have all classes, so nothing is different. So of course I teach math, so that's where I'm going to click on, and geometry more specific. And then this way I can find what I'm looking for. So if I wanted to do triangles, which is what we're currently working on, I can. And I need to find my students a good proof video. So all you do is press play, watch the video. They also have the questions that are going to pop up. Let's go back because I know they actually had the questions to pop up. So I'm trying to see where those are located. But they do have questions. I'm trying to see, you can assign them to classes. Let's see. Let's go home and see if that works. So like this video, you can see down here at the bottom, the little water drop. Those are where your questions are going to be located. And if you want to go ahead and skip to see what type of question is going to be asked, you can see. And the students are allowed to rewatch if they think they missed something. I'm hoping that you could take the skip out so they wouldn't skip it. And then you can continue. So this will be good for, like I said, flipped classroom assignment for homework, and then allowing them to interact with the video so you know that they are actually engaged in the video. So you can use this in your classroom for reteaching of anything that students need remediation on. This is perfect. This is a perfect example of it, as well as quizzing or ticket out the doors, warm up, anything of that nature. And it'll be beneficial for students because it's more interactive, it's engaging, and it gives them the immediate feedback that they need. A lot of students want to know what did they get wrong, why did they get it wrong. So these two platforms can give them that feedback and let them know how they're doing on an assignment. So I really encourage you to look at these two platforms because I think they will be a wonderful addition to any classroom. Thank you for taking time to watch my video, and hope to see you next time.